When scoring a pickleball game, there are really only a few things to keep track of. First, you always play to 11 and need to win by 2 points. Second, you can only score when serving, aka your team is serving the ball. Now we're going to break it down with these simple graphics to explore how to score a game of pickleball. The way that it will work is you're going to use 3 numbers. The serving team score comes first, the opposing team score comes second, then server number 1 or 2. What that means is if the serving team currently has 5 points and the opposing team currently has 4 points and server number 1 is currently serving the ball, the score is 5-4-1. That means the server will shout out the score is 5-4-1, letting everyone know the score of the game and then serve the ball. Now, if the serving team wins a point, the score is now 6-4-1, and the serving team players will switch sides, meaning that server number 1 is now going to be serving from the left service court and will again shout out the score 6-4-1, letting everyone know that's playing what the score is before the next point starts. Now let's say the serving team loses the rally. Again, this doesn't mean that the opposing team wins a point yet. Only the team serving can score a point. But it does now mean that server 1 is no longer serving, and now the server is server number 2. Server number 2 will serve from the position they were standing in, and now the score is 6-4-2. Notice the actual score hasn't changed, but that final number has because server 2 is now serving the ball. When server number 2 loses the rally, this is called side out, and now the other team will serve. So notice at the top, the score has now flipped. It is now 4-6 instead of 6-4, and now it's 4-6-1, meaning that the server number 1 on the now serving team will get a chance to serve. And again, the flow of this will go all the way up to 11 points. So let's say the now serving team scores. Now it's 5-6-1, so 5-6-1, and the server will switch sides again to now serve from the left service court. Alternatively, if they lose the rally at 5-6-1, it now becomes 5-6-2, and partner 2 will become the server, aka server 2, meaning it is now 5-6-2. And this is how an entire pickleball game will flow, changing from server to server and team to team. But there is one special circumstance where only one partner will get a chance to serve, and that's at the beginning of the game. Instead of starting at 0-0-1, meaning that server 1 will get to serve and server 2 will get to serve, when you start a game of pickleball, you immediately start with the second server, meaning that the score is 0-0-2. If on the first rally, the serving team loses the point or loses the rally, that means that the opposite team will immediately get to serve and the score is 0-0-1. Now, both partners will get a chance to serve and a regular game will commence. So while pickleball scoring might seem a little bit confusing, start with some of the basic scoring rules and come back to this video and the written notes paired with this video to make sure that you have everything straight and in order.